Just and Fair Delimitation JFD Finance Secretary Sunil Karam has warned of launching an intense agitation if the state government fails to send a recommendation to the centre by today to conduct the census only after identifying illegal immigrants. He was speaking at a public meeting on the theme NRC Updation before census at Itham Mamang Laikai Community Hall in Imphal East District. The meeting was organized by JFD in collaboration with the Itham Village Development Committee, Tumukong Village Authority, Moirangpuril Village Development Committee and Laikong Village Authority. Speaking further, Sunil Karam asserted that Chief Minister Y. Khemchan is still reluctant to urge the centre to defer the census in view of the prevailing situation in Manipur. He continued that it is high time for the general public to teach a befitting lesson to the government, whom he accused of opposing the identification of illegal immigrants. Sunil expressed strong apprehension that illegal immigrants would be enrolled as genuine citizens of the country if the census operation is carried out before they are identified. He added that such a blunder would wipe out the indigenous population and ultimately fulfill the cookie's goal of a separate administration. Sunil warned that there would be serious consequences, even more dangerous than the June 18 incident, if the government forcibly carries out the census despite public opposition.
Manipur police na show was there, car had a big no have said, Han, the appeal to Jenny, and the Rena, Shugumaki people send Kurama. Miam Punakan, Laurana, Landam the Nico ticket of the Hydra, or Pisa, Mayamo, Tenitova, I Iracha Mayam there, must have put up the Tenitova, Chapadoni.